Okay, so VA niche. Ano ba yung bagay sa'yo? So, hindi mo naman kaagad kailangan malaman actually yung perfect niche for you or kung ano yung magiging focus mo for your VA career. But I hope that this training for the VA niche will help you discover it. So, importante na malaman mo na actually napakaraming opportunities in for the with the VA world. And kahit newbie ka pa lang, we just need to really have that right mindset, right skills, and the consistency. So let me just share my screen. So below this video, guys, is ah, saglit lang. Ayan. So if you remember, guys, on your workbook is your profile. So later on, you will create your brand name, but for now, I want you to if you already made a copy of this workbook, kindly upload here a headshot. I would suggest it should be professional looking because it will represent you. And then your full name here, and then answer this. List down here the things that you love to do or your skills, yung skills na meron ka na right now, and list down here the things that you don't like to do. Because here on the you will align it here. If you're going to think about it, yung mga pinalista ko sa inyo is the things that you will align here. For example, right now, meron kang experience with real estate here, working here as a real estate agent. So maybe you could use that. That's already a skill na pwede mong consider to become a real estate VA. Or if you are a CSR here, in the corporate year or in the PPO, pwede mo nang magamit yun. Pwede naman as simple as if you like organizing things, even on your personal, baka pwede ka maging general VA. Yan. And then if you like doing online research, right now we have a VA that is doing data entry and online research for our client. So right now she has 3 clients for that. And then same thing then with freelancing. Pero right now, I would like you to focus muna on the VA niche. Since that's what our training is all about. Okay, so let me know. And I hope, tawag nito, i-fill up nyo na siya kagad. Huwag nyo na siyang ipagmamaya. Para we will also give you like a faster feedback for this one. So one of the things that I learned really with my mentors then in freelancing is the faster the feedback, uh the faster the chances then that you will improve. Ayan. So that's it.